Okay, so just unbox the Buku Earth Auger. I'm going to focus. Quite cool, comes with lots of little goodies. So you've got your gloves, some headphones, a mixing bottle, little filler thing there, some safety glasses obviously, nice little toolkit with everything in, and a spare spark plug, which is quite cool. Also comes with a post level, which is annoying because I've just bought one. And you get the 100, 150 and 200 screws with a couple of extension poles that you will need. I got this one because the reviews were quite good. There's a couple of pros that have been using it out there. Said it was good. I was going to go for the more powerful one, but then they said there's no need. A couple of things on the reviews. People saying about the exhaust blowing into your face when you're going down low. Well, that's only if you're a right-hander. With the trigger being on the right, it means that the exhaust will be facing you. So you either turn it around and then do it upside down, and then the exhaust is going away, or you can unbolt these and then swap them round, which is what I might do. I don't know yet. We'll see how she goes. In here you've just got the little pump for the fuel, so you just pump that probably 5 times if it's standard. The choke on, choke off, someone said they were the wrong way round at some point, but from what I can see at this point, they seem to be the right way round. So left is closed, right is open. So let's get it all going. What I've done is, for the fuel belt, I've just put a couple of lines on there so it's easier for you to see, and for me, as we get older and older. I'm using the Husqvarna 2-stroke oil. I'm sure the Stihl stuff will be just as good. It doesn't actually say anywhere. But I've got skill saws, and if you don't use this oil, the skill saws won't work. Trust me. So let's just... So basically, once they're together, you need to be on the top line. Nice good mix. Should be a bit darker, so it'll be a bit easier to see. Okay, so now we've got our right-handed, left-handed, whatever you want to call it. Oh, dear. There you go. Boom. That's interesting. You saw me do that? It's cracked the top already. That's a pain. So don't over tighten that. That's going to need some glue. That's a bit boring. Be warned. See, so if you push it, you can see. So I'm going to have to work away. I'm going to use some impact glue, let that dry. While watching the paint dry, or the glue to dry, whatever it is, good time to do some deadheading. Quick tip, if you do some deadheading, there's no point just pulling the flour out. You have to go back a bit, so you're taking a little bit more out. So when you find a flower, somewhere in there, it's going to be right there. We can see that flower came out of it, and then everything will keep growing. See? For those of you who are going to make the comment, there is a rubber gasket in there, which means that the petrol is never going to meet the glue because the gasket will stop it. So you really are just sealing the plastic. It might work, it might not. I don't know about you, but when you get all these blooming, so many different languages. So, what I like to do is cut them off. English manual, a lot thinner. Yeah, sorry about the wind, if it's windy. Right, so we're going to pump the reservoir, pump the ball. There you go, you can see it coming in. We've got plenty of fuel in there. Make sure we're switched on. Popping the choke on. And then I normally like to give it a few, well, normal two-stroke engines, I don't know about this one. What are we doing here? Okay, well I've left that running for a few minutes. They say don't do it at full revs for like 10 hours. I mean, reality is you probably only ever do 10 hours work, but going to be quite handy, planting stuff, putting some posts in, fence posts. And as we all saw, she started pretty easily. 4 quick pulls and away she goes. So I just need to sort this cap out when I try and get another one. Anyway, I think I'm quite impressed. Value for money. If it all goes horribly wrong, I'll let you know. Good luck.